Welcome to the 90-day intensive course on Advanced Java for Banking and Ledger Systems. This masterclass will equip you with the skills to design high-throughput banking cores capable of processing over 100 million transactions per second with absolute accuracy. You've mastered the basics, so why aren't you at a senior level yet? The problem lies in outdated skills. Tutorials focus on simple CRUD applications and SQL updates, but real banking requires lock-free ring buffers and ZGC tuning. Traditional courses lack financial precision and fail to cover the complexities of distributed systems like Sagas or multi-region consistency. The financial industry is rapidly replacing legacy systems. Engineers skilled in building production-grade financial cores are designing the next generation of global payment rails. The global payment systems process $4.7 trillion daily, and 78% of banks plan to replace legacy cores by 2027. Fintech system skills can lead to 3 times higher salaries. The solution is Advanced Java for Banking and Ledger Systems. This 90-day masterclass focuses on 4 key pillars: ultra-high throughput with LMAX Disruptor and lock-free buffers, numerical precision with BigDecimal mastery, distributed consistency using Kafka EOS and Saga patterns, and forensic auditing with hash-chain immutable ledgers and compliance. You will build 5 production-grade systems, not basic applications. This includes an ultra-fast transaction router for millions of transactions per second, a multi-region general ledger for strict and multi-currency consistency, and a resilient Saga Coordinator for automated rollbacks and reliable event publishing. The 90-day roadmap includes 10 sections, each with 9 lessons, resulting in 1 complete banking core. Topics span from the financial foundation and local transaction engineering to a high-throughput engine and persistence, up to hyperscale production. Core engineering topics include the Java memory model, mechanical sympathy, and numerical engineering. You will also cover distributed patterns such as Sagas and Kafka, persistence architectures, and advanced JVM performance tuning for hyperscale. This course is for professionals ready to level up, including software engineers, SRE/DevOps engineers, QA engineers, and product managers. Prerequisites include experience with Java, SQL, Git, and a commitment to daily coding. This course is different from typical offerings. We focus on production-ready techniques like lock-free CAS for balance updates, Saga for transaction safety, and a hash-chained immutable log for auditing. Performance is benchmarked to 100 million RPS, culminating in a production enterprise banking core. Engineers are reporting real outcomes. They emphasize understanding the why, drastically reducing latency, mastering core financial system principles, and transforming their careers from interview rejects to architecture leaders. This is the course fintech engineers need. The results speak for themselves, with an average course rating of 4.9 stars, a 90% completion rate, and an average 3 times salary jump. 100% of participants build a real banking core. Our alumni come from top organizations like Goldman Sachs, Stripe, and Coinbase. Each section ships a working, deployable system component. You will build a foundation layer with BigDecimal precision, a performance engine using LMAX Disruptor, and a distribution layer with Kafka and Saga patterns. Subsequent layers focus on trust and resilience and hyperscale production. Enroll today for a one-time payment of $497, granting lifetime access to 90 lessons, 5 capstone projects, private GitHub access, and community support. You'll also receive bonus material, including architecture decision records and an interview prep pack, all backed by a 30-day money-back guarantee. The question isn't whether you should build this. The question is whether you'll be the engineer who does. In 90 days, you could have 5 production systems in your portfolio. Start building today.